Hey gorgeous, welcome to Anita's Favorites. To all my subscribers and those of you who watch my videos, thank you so much for joining me today and welcome. So today I have an unboxing of one of my favorite bags from Dooney Bourke. This is the big bag girl lovers, right? Those who love big bags. So I do have multiple in my collection. I've given a couple of them away, so let's get into it. So I popped the tape for the sake of time. And I'm going to start with the first thing in the box, which is the wallet. Because y'all know I love the matchy. So this is the slim wallet in pebble grain in the color plum wine. Okay, so there is a back zip for change. And then you see the profile of it is slim. And it has plenty of card slots on both sides, which makes this wallet a very favorite wallet. So I'm so happy that they brought this back, and there are several colors available. So I do highly recommend the slim wallet. So here she is. All right, now let's get into this bag. So here she is, y'all. This is the extra large Courtney sack in the color plum wine. Y'all, this is the extra large Courtney sack in plum wine. She has feet on the bottom. So let's take a closer look inside. You can see all of this beautiful leather collaring all the way around. There's a snap closure, and I have not had any issues with the bag with anything falling out. And as you can see, there's a slip pocket on the back and then two front slip pockets as well. So yeah, oh, you heard that snap. So it's what we love. And so look at the gold hardware. The Courtney sack is just the simplicity, right? The slim profile, it's not bulky, even though she's a large bag. You don't have to overload this bag, but if you want to add other things, you know that there's plenty of room inside. Go ahead and put my wallet inside of her. So yeah, I am a huge fan of the extra large Courtney sack. She's my girl. So let me show you some of the other colors that I have in her, in this silhouette. I also have this beauty in mustard, which I love. Oh my God, I love this bag so much. Mustard is beautiful. She's so pretty. And I also have her in forest green. Oh my God, y'all, the forest green color is beautiful. Yeah, so the bag is a little slouchy, but that's okay. It's just all of this gorgeous leather. I also have this in Florentine leather, and I do not own not even one Florentine leather in this bag. I only hauled the pebble grain in this silhouette. I'm a huge fan of the pebble grain leather, which is why I keep getting it. So yeah, y'all, that's my extra large Courtney sack. I hope you're able to get one and add it to your collection. As always, I wish you prosperity and peace, and thank you.